Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, you'll see this page. Here, you need to enter the site of your Moodle website of your school. Once you enter the URL, you'll see the list of sites. Go through it and choose the correct link of your school and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of Moodle website of your school. If you are a student, you can choose login with student option. So tap on student. You can choose accordingly if you are a teacher or manager. Now here you need to enter your username and your password and log into your account. Now in order to change the profile picture, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select preference. Here under the user account section, you can see edit profile option. Tap on it. If you scroll down, you can see the user picture option. If you want to change the profile picture, here you can see the new picture option. Just below that, you can see the section where you can select the files. You can just tap on it. And now you can upload a photo of your choice. Tap on choose file. Once you select the picture, tap on this upload file button. Now scroll down and tap on update profile button. And that's it. That's how you can change profile picture of your Moodle account. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.